Alright, I've created a new custom type here. We've got the sphere hit test. That's just a example of the new hit test function that I've created. And when we run this, we can click on a sphere, and that sphere is going to change color and animate. So the idea here is we can see how we can pick in 3D, and if there's two spheres overlapping, it's going to pick both spheres. So it's basically a 2D test at my touch or mouse coordinate, which is then tested against any spheres that I want. So if we have a quick look at how this code is written, we can just pop here, and we have a register component which registers our sphere. The sphere goes and creates the render kit object, which has the camera and the 3D objects. We go through and make 10 spheres, and then we bind the down event, and the down event occurs on the overall component, so on the camera, if you think of it that way. We update our look at to be sort of looking down on the spheres, so they've got a nice perspective. This function here is a helper function, so this goes through and sets a new random position and scale, so that's what causes those spheres to change color and move whenever I click on them. And then this is the pick sphere test, so it basically goes through with the known x, y, and z for each of the spheres in the array and its scale. And then when it finds one, it looks up a new color, calls the update color function, and repositions the sphere in this new position. So it's just one line of code to actually use the sphere picking function. So it's very easy. It just takes the current XY coordinates, the world space coordinates of the sphere you want to test on, and then performs the in this case what I want to achieve. Now I could be using a sphere, which is fast, to test for just a general 3D model. So even though it could be a 3D model of an ogre, I could still use this sphere test. So just a really simple, helpful function. And in a minute I'll make a video of the quad test. Cool.